Welcome to the Michigan Runner Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
We found a couple of finishers at the 4K here today at the 30th annual Roseville Big Bird Run. Yeah, and looks like you might be related. What's your name?
My name is Christine Zalupski. I'm from Commerce Township, Michigan.
And what's your name?
Ben Zalupski from Commerce Township, Michigan.
And so who was faster, you or your mom?
Oh, my mom.
Is this the first time you've run this?
This is my third time running it.
Third time.
And Ben's first time, so he's been inspired lately to run, so I thought this would be a great event. We had a wonderful time last year, so I want to bring him along for this year. And this is 30th annual, so it's very special.
It's a good one to start. So you were inspired to run it, so what did you think?
It was tiring, and yeah, it's tiring.
Yeah, they're supposed to be tiring. But the best part about the tiring is you get to relax afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So have you ever won a turkey?
I have not won a turkey, but we're hoping this year. We have 2 tries this year, so hopefully one of us will get it.
2 tries. All right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So, well, have you run other races besides this one?
Yep, we did the Oakwood Hospital's Red October run a couple last month.
I did a triathlon.
You did a triathlon?
And the Red October run.
Wow, triathlon, that's a warm weather sport.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I don't want to go swimming today.
Well, it's a great day for running. Thank you very much for talking with us, and hope you get that turkey.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
We found here a couple of folks who look like they might have run together. What's your name?
Mark Ignatiak.
Christina Ignatiak.
Andrew Ignatiak.
And where are you from?
Troy, Michigan.
Troy, Michigan. And you all are having Big Bird shirts on from previous races. Have you made this a tradition?
Yes, I've been running since 1985 in this. I couldn't find the 85 blue one, so I pulled out a 2000.
Well, that's a pretty cool one, too, and I like the orange ones. Have you run it before, too?
Yeah, I ran it since I can remember. It's a tradition every year.
And you?
Yeah, I ran with my dad sometimes on this one, yeah.
This is the first time he beat me.
You beat him?
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it's the beginning of a new era.
Yeah, a way to celebrate the 30th. Huh?
Yeah. And then we're off to the Lions game.
Oh, hey, today's the day they're going to win.
Events, yes.
They're going to win, yeah.
Great.
It's a winning week, you know.
All right.
So, have you always run the 4K?
No, I'm a 10K runner, but with the kids, we run the shorter distance. They like the 2.5 mile run.
Sure. Now, did you start with the 1 mile?
Yeah. With the turkey trot and stuff, yeah, I started only on the 1 mile.
How about you? Did you start with the 1 mile, too?
Yeah, and then we moved on. I think I'm going to try the 10K next time.
And so you're going to have to do the 4 mile by yourself? I mean, the 4K by yourself, you think?
Maybe. My dad might do it with me.
Okay. Because you can beat him again.
I might stick with the 4K.
Well, thank you very much for talking with us, and
thanks for having us.
Go Lions.
All right, go Big Bird Run.
Thank you. Yes.
Good job. 18 to 3.